Let's take another little walk and have a look around, come on. So you can hire these boats per hour. We used to take one. What we did, we come out of season. So basically, they would do a really good deal. So you pay for 3 hours, but you do the 4 hour. And also you get the glass bottom version of it, so you can see through, which is so clear. There's some little fishes there, you won't be able to pick it up. Tiny fishes. But yeah, look how clear, calm the water is. But yeah, if you come out of season, you can get some really good deals. Like I said, we got 4 hours for the price of 3 hours. And I think we paid around about 135 euro. Which, you know, if you've been to Tenerife, you'd be paying 300 quid in Tenerife. And I promise you, the sea is not going to look like this in Tenerife. It is never this clear. It's never this beautiful like this in Tenerife. So for the price, and for the beauty of this place, can't be beaten. Sorry. All day long I'll take a boat here compared to Tenerife. Can't pay 300 quid. Jet skis are normally around 40, 45 for 15 minutes, I think it is. And if you can see that airplane just going straight up there. So I caught it beautifully there with the flag. So the airport's like 10 minutes away, if that. So this is where you can catch all your boats from here. A lot of fishermen park up here. There's Sabrina in all orange. So you can rent this one with a skipper. And they're going to let you drive that one on its own.
Hello guys, you looking for the boat?
Okay, thank you. Look how shallow it is. Yeah, you can see some prices on this board. Hello.
I will give you one of my leaflets if you like.
Oh yeah, go on. I'll show
Where
everyone.
are you planning to go? Where do you like to go?
We're not planning to go nowhere, but I'm just going to show the people.
How many of you?
No, I'm just going to show my YouTubers.
Ah, YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So let me give you one with no price.
There we go. Thank you.
Please use. Thanks a lot.
Have a good day, yeah. Yeah.
Hello from Captain Ninja. Hello. Hello from Captain Ninja. 12 o'clock at the night, have a big game. Match.
Big match, yeah? Right now it's in high season, so I think you'll be paying a normal price for everything at the moment. Might be able to get it down by £5 or so. I'm going to have to stop for our first beer. So that's where we just started.
Yeah, my friend.
Oh, yeah, go on, I'll take another one.
Special boat, special price.
Thank you.
Yellow boat,
The yellow one, yeah?
number 1 boat.
Thank you.
Bye, Captain.
So we're going to go down to, I've seen one down there I want to go to. It's got grass. So you go. 50 for 10 minutes, 60 for 15. I think they should up that to 30 minutes. How much fuel are you really using? We all know the cost of the fuel out here.
Respective.
I think I'm going to go into Freddie's. Get myself a mythos. I think it's about time. Hi guys, thanks for watching again. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.